In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a carousel post on Facebook. Now, let's get started right away. So first of all, I recommend going over to business.facebook.com/creator studio. Now, Creator Studio is a pretty handy website you can use for your Facebook and also Instagram if you want to. But for this video, we're just going to use it to post a carousel. But you can also do this on Facebook itself. But for me, for some reason, the option didn't show up. So I chose to do it via Creator Studio. But maybe, yeah, it will show up there for you, but I'm not sure. So what you want to do is log into your Facebook account, click on Create Post right there. Select a page you want to post to. I'm just going to select the top one. And then what you want to do is click on multimedia. If you click on multimedia, you can create a photo album, a carousel, a slideshow, and an instant experience, as you can see. But we want to click on the carousel, of course. And once you're here, you want to enter a URL. Now, since I don't really have a website to post this into, I'm just going to post or put in a random website that already exists. So once you've done that, you can see that this will all show up right there. And this looks a bit weird because this is a website that I don't own, and so I can really like customize it that well. But basically, once you've done that, you can just click on share now, and that will share it to your Facebook page. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.